Robots are coming. A lot of you guys still maybe sleep to that, but that's why you subscribe to my channel, to stay ahead of things. But all jokes aside though, we got guys like Elon Musk making cars that could drive themselves. And there are countless AI software out there that people are using every day to make their lives easier. You see, we pretty much came as far as we're going to as humans. We've accomplished a lot, but robots can accomplish more, which is what led me into making this video. By now, I'm pretty sure you guys heard of Chat GPT. If you didn't, I'm about to put you on. Chat GPT is basically AI software that you can access online, and it knows everything. And I'm not exaggerating when I say everything. I mean, I might be a little bit, but the accuracy that comes with it is pretty impressive. Why are we talking about robots and Chat GPT? Because they're here to make your life easier. Don't believe me? I'll take you to my laptop and show you how. Alright guys, we're here on my computer, and I told you guys you can use this software to help you with virtually anything. And I already know y'all probably like, he's capping, but I'm really not. Like, you can really use this to make you rich if you use it right. Feel me? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We ain't gonna just talk about it, we're gonna be about it. We're gonna try Chat GPT out. Alright, then the page should take you right here. And for my students out there, so you got a math class that's busting your head, geometry at that, we can ask Chat GPT, how can we get an A in that class? Which is what I'm gonna do right now. How can I get an A in my geometry class? Yeah. So as you can see, ChatGPT is ready to give you a detailed list of things that you can do that if you implement, you'll get the results. You just gotta do it. For me, so that one was a little bit too easy, right? Say it's a specific question we wanna ask. Say I like to cook and I wanted to start my own restaurant. We can ask ChatGPT what steps we can take today to open a restaurant, and it's gonna give it to us. So that's exactly what we're gonna do too. How do I start a restaurant business? I don't know everything about business yet, but after reading this, I feel like I do. So if you guys didn't realize it yet, this software can virtually help you with any problem that you got. It's like Google on steroids, because as with Google, you ask it a question and it gives you a plethora of information that you would have to choose from. As with ChatGPT, you ask it a question and it gives you a more dialed in, accurate response. Like I said earlier, robots are coming. And in a very real way, this is kind of like our first interactive model of them. So you better get with the times, whether it's school, business, relationship issues, car issues. ChatGPT is here to guide you. And I'm not even just saying this, I actively use this software. I got a nickname for it and all that. His name is Chatty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're on your way to building your own relationship with Chatty. Love you guys. See you next time.